Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again. So in this video, let's going to solve one more problem from super mesh analysis from the subject name called electric circuit analysis for independent sources today. Okay, so look into the problem. So they asked you to find the values of I1, I2, I3, and they are only given the direction of current also. So this is super mesh circuit because there is a current source between two loops. Current source between two loops. So what are those two loops? So that loops are nothing but I1 and I3. 3 ampere source. Super mesh 3 ampere is in between I1 and I3, so that you can call that as super mesh. So you can get one equation from super mesh. So directly I will write from super mesh. From super mesh, you can get one equation. Before that, observe 3 ampere is flowing upward direction. So that 3 ampere is given by that is flowing upward. So in between I1 and I3, observe the direction of I1 and I3. I1 is flowing downward, that is opposite to 3 amperes, and I3 is also flowing upward, that is same as the direction of 3 amperes. So that 3 equals I3 positive because same direction, minus I1 because I1 is flowing opposite to the 3 amperes. So that I'll rewrite here minus I1 plus I3 equals 3. This is equation 1 from super mesh. So now apply KVL to super mesh loop by neglecting super mesh current. So here super mesh current is 3 amperes. So that by neglecting these 3 amperes, so apply KVL to this loop, like KVL here. Before that, mark the polarities. I1 is flowing clockwise, so this is plus and minus here also. Here also it is plus and minus, plus, minus, plus, minus. But I3 is flowing through 10 ohm, 1 ohm, 7 ohm. I1 minus I2 is flowing through 4 ohm and the source is 10 volts. So that right, apply KVL to super mesh loop. Super mesh loop, so that you can rewrite now plus 10 plus 10 minus 4 into I1 minus I2 minus 10 into I3 minus I2 minus 1 into I3 minus 7 into I3 equals to 0. So simplify this equation now. Plus 10 minus 4I1 plus 4I2 minus 10I3 plus 10I2 minus 1 minus 7 minus 8I3 equals to 0. I1, observe only one I1 is there. 10 minus 4I1, I2 you can observe. So here I2 have my plus 4I2 plus 4I2 plus 10I2 have. So that plus 4 plus 10 plus 14 I2 minus 10 minus 8 minus 18 I3 equals to 0. Rearrange the equation, you can get 4I1 minus 14I2 plus 18I3 equals to 10. This is equation number 2. So now apply KVL to loop 2, that is I2 loop. Apply KVL to loop I2, mark the polarities, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, second polarity is minus, minus, minus. You can also use first polarities, no problem, but you have to use first polarities for all the loops. So I can write now minus 9 into, write it here, minus 9 I2 minus 10 I2 plus 10 I3 minus 4 I2 plus 4 I1 equals to 0. Minus 9 I2 minus 10 I2 plus 10 I3 minus 4 I2 plus 4 I1. I1 you can observe only one I1. 4 I1, I2 you can see minus 9 minus 10 minus 4. So 19 4 23 minus 23 I2. Next I3, only one I3 is there, that is plus 10 I3 equals to 0. This is equation number 3. So now we got equation 1, 2, 3. Using calculator, solve equation 1, 2, and 3. So give your calculator in equation mode, that is eqn. So having 3 unknowns, right? A1 is minus 1, A2 is, sorry, B1 is 0, C1 is 1, D1 is 3. Similarly, 4 minus 14 and plus 18, 10. 4 minus 23 plus 10, 0. So you can get the value of I1 is minus I1 is nothing but minus 1.909 amperes and I2 is 0.1419 amperes and I3 is 1.0903 amperes. These are the answers. From super mesh 1 equation, by neglecting super mesh, apply KVL to that super mesh loop. Then you can apply KVL to loop 2, that is current flowing I2 loop. Then you'll get 3 equations. Solve these 3 equations, you can get the value of unknown values. So if you want, you can take screenshot, so it may help. And if you're having any doubts regarding this, feel free to write in the comment box. If you really like this video, kindly do subscribe and share maximum. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.